What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Just wanted to come to you with a video today discussing the price action we're seeing in Bitcoin and what I think is most likely right now and how I see the overall markets playing out. From the last updates I've made, there's not really all too much going on. There's just a few things that, a few signs that I'm looking out for right now. So overall, if you're just looking at, this is a 12-hour chart. Overall, the way that Bitcoin's price is reacting right now is just a continuation, guys. We're just continuously getting these types of, we get a bounce, down sloping consolidation, bounce, down sloping consolidation, bounce, currently a down sloping consolidation right here. So we're just continuing on this, the environment of the market is pretty much the same. We're seeing the same reactions to our highs, pulling back, getting lows, lower lows, and bounces up. Very similar stuff happening right now. So for me, I think the most likely outcome right now is a retest of our downsloping support. Retesting, we've been hitting this over and over again, guys, right? We're finding support here, most likely going to find support here again. This is what I think is most likely right now is a retest of our downsloping support. Previous resistance, now support. I think this is the most likely outcome right now. But 3,950, guys, 3,950 is a very critical resistance level right now. And if we are able to actually break above 3,950, hold above it, gain support on that level, if we do this, then we would be doing something that we haven't done before, which is holding above 3,950 and actually creating a formation above that resistance point, right? Every time we come up above 3,950, we don't spend much time there. We get rejected, don't spend much time here, get rejected, don't spend all that much time here, get rejected in here as well. Not much time spent above 3,950 and get rejected. So our most critical resistance right now is 3,950. And if we can get above that, hold above it, then the likelihood of a break above the infamous 4,250 level would be much more likely. And if we are going to break this level, then a move up to, a swing up to 5K is quite likely, right? But that's all just theoretical, guys. We haven't actually done that. We haven't actually broken above 3,950 and held above it. We're just getting rejected off that level. So in my opinion, right now, it is more likely that we test down to our support, try to gain more support at our support levels, whether it's this downward sloping support, whether it's this upsloping support right here. I think the market really needs to find some support here in order to create to get more bullish momentum. But again, personally, I don't think that's likely. Overall, I'm still looking for this bearish continuation pattern here, guys. Nothing has really changed. I'm still looking for us to retest that downsloping, that horizontal resistance, like maybe we retest the upsloping support before we getting a breakdown to the horizontal resistance, find a few more lower highs before breaking down, ultimately breaking down to lower lows and retesting that last support channel right there, which I think is very likely. And the support, guys, the volume's not really gaining all that much, right? Looking at the 3-day, you can look at pretty much any exchange. Volume isn't really gaining all too much. Hop over to the 3-day. Volume is really not that impressive here. So I think, a pullback is quite likely right now. It's quite likely right now. Yeah, also if you go to the weekly, or maybe it's the daily, let's go to the daily. If we bring up our moving averages, 55 and 100 right now. We are touching, we're getting pretty close. So if we do get a 55 crossing above the 100, then in that event, things could become more bullish, but we haven't gotten that cross just yet, guys. We haven't gotten the cross just yet. So I'm personally still remaining bearish. If we go to the weekly, the 55 and 100 are crossing right now, right? Getting a bearish cross potentially here pretty soon. And if that does happen, I do think that the algorithms and bots will be triggered in a way that makes them more bearish, and we will probably see some more downside, right? So the higher time frames are definitely bearish. Lower time frames are a little bit more bullish. So I'm still remaining bearish. I do think a retest of our downsloping support is more likely than a breakout. So yeah, guys, I think that's about it for today. Still remaining bearish on the overall market. And yeah, that's just kind of all I wanted to talk about today. So if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video. Also, I do have a Patreon if you're interested in joining the Patreon. Could be an interesting thing for you to do. Anyway, guys, I will see you all in the next video.